What's up, y'all? It's Kanin Cuisine here today, and if you can't cook steak, you gonna learn today. You might be scared, but you gonna do it. You gonna learn how to cook a steak today. It's gonna be so juicy, so succulent. So watch this whole thing so you can step your game up and make your lady love you. You hear me? That's what you need to do. Yeah. Today we cooking Chateaubriand, the best part of the beef tenderloin. You hear me? So delicious, and I got it on sale for the $16.99 a piece. You hear me? First, we're gonna season this with kosher salt, very lightly. All we trying to do is get a little salt to penetrate into the meat. We're not gonna salt it all the way. We just want a little taste to penetrate the steak. Our next priority is to get these steaks into the refrigerator so that they can dry out and also get the seasoning to get deep into the steak. And while the steak is in the refrigerator, I want to show you the thing that's going to take your steak to the next level, and that's butter and herbs. Gorgeous, fresh. We have rosemary, thyme, and garlic, European unsalted butter, and of course a chef spoon to deliver the butter onto the steak. Now this is what your steak look like after it's been chilling in the refrigerator for 1 to 6 hours. It's gonna be a little darker and it's gonna be dry. And the dryness is gonna encourage great browning. We're gonna go ahead and start this oven up, and we're gonna set it to 400 degrees, which is an ideal temperature for your steaks to finish cooking. Don't put ice cold steaks in the pan. You want it to be room temperature. When they're room temperature, the outcome is better, because when you have a really cold steak, then the inside of your steak has more of a tendency to be rawer than you would like. Alright, so now we're gonna season these steaks really well. This is kosher salt, so you can be a little more liberal than you can be with table salt. Matter of fact, you shouldn't even be using no table salt. No way, because table salt is for the table. You hear me? So we're going to use this kosher salt. You want to season it real good on all sides. You use fresh cracked black pepper. That's all you need. Jazz hands, you hear me? Now make sure your pan is hot. And how you going to know it's hot? When you do this here. Bleep, 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 bleep. If that water disappears when you sprinkle it into the pan, it's not hot enough. It's only hot enough when the water stays in the pan just like that. So now you know it's hot. The next move is to put that steak in the pan. It's gonna be screaming. I forgot. Gotta put some grapeseed oil in there first, or any high heat oil. Could be peanut oil or canola oil, but I like grapeseed oil. And also, this is a disclaimer, I can't have sound on all the time. I wanted y'all to hear the sizzling of the meat the whole time I was cooking, but I live with 3 women and they be talking all through my video. I just don't know what to do. But I figure if you're a Kanin Cuisine fan, you're gonna bear with me until I can do better. You hear me? That's what I believe. So next, we're gonna flip this steak over. Now if you experience any resistance, that means it ain't time to flip it over. You see how I just picked that thing on up and turned it over? Cause it was ready. You see, when you get some a little more experience, you'll just be able to walk up to that thing, flip it on over. But if you experience any resistance, it ain't time to flip it over. But just be patient with this steak. You gotta treat it like a baby. And if you treat it like a baby, it's gonna reward you greatly. You hear me? See how I picked that thing on up? It was ready. Boom. You want to get all sides. All sides need to be matching. Yeah. Flip it over again. Just walk it down. But see how that pan is super, super hot? You want that thing to stay ripping hot. Look at that color. Ooh, that's pretty, baby. Smoking. Now this right here, this is my favorite part. It's called butter basting. Yeah, when I learned this technique right here, I thought I was so cold. You hear me? I thought I was just so cold. And you gonna feel like that too once you start doing it. You gonna feel like a real chef when you start doing this part. You be like, ooh, I'm cold. You heard me? But what you want to do is not have your fire up as high as mine. When you first start now, you want to cut that fire down because you want that butter to stay yellow for a little while and slowly but surely turn brown. You don't want it to turn brown off the wham, because if it turn brown off the wham, your butter is burnt. You don't want that. You want it to gradually turn brown. And when it turns brown, it's going to have a wonderful nutty flavor that's going to get all up in the nooks and crannies of this steak, man. It's going to be so fire. You're going to love it, you hear me? And I know it looked like I turned into Superman or the Flash, but I had to speed it up for the sake of time, because I don't want to bore y'all. I want y'all attention to stay strong on this video, you hear me? Now the same rack we used to chill the steaks in the refrigerator is the same one we're going to use to put the steaks in the oven. We're going to do a temp check as well, because we want to know where we at before we go in the oven, so we'll know what's up when they come out. Because you got to keep in mind, we're not cooking the time, we cooking to the temperature. When you cook your steaks on that little rack right there, it's going to keep the bottom the same color as the top and sides. You ain't gonna have no gray washed out bottom and then a gorgeous top and side. With this right here, it's gonna be a uniform color all the way around. And when it first come out, you at a good temperature when you 10 degrees less than what you striving for. Cause see, right now we perfect. Look at that 146. I wanted 145, 146 ain't bad. I don't know about you, but food can be sexy to me. So sexy, so succulent, so whatever that word is. That there, I can't stress enough the beauty of a bone white china plate. It just make your food look so good. And then when you put the herbs on top of your meat after you done cooked it in the butter, and then you come with the fresh butter, you put it all on there like that right there, man. Golly, just see that part right there? Golly. When I see it like that, man, golly, that's so gorgeous right there. Yeah, man, you fire at the hell. Look at this thing. Man, where is you getting this at? Only at your house, because you did it, because that's what you want. You getting exactly what you want because you did it at home. That's the whole point of these videos, for you to look at your food and be like, man, I did that, dog. Can't nobody beat me doing me. Yeah, that's how I want you to feel. Now check this out. I'm going to cut this thing down. And look at that rose. Ooh, that rose all the way from the edge to the middle. It's the same color all the way through. That's just pure technique right there. If you do it like I do it, your steak going to look just like this. You hear me? Man, check that out. Yeah, but it's so pink. So pink, and you did that at home, no restaurant. That's you, dog. You hear me? All right, y'all. It's time to taste this food right here. We got some delicious steak cooked to the temperature I like, which is 145. And that's a nice medium steak. It ain't rare. It's a good hot pink. That's what I like to do. You know what I'm saying? You can take it off about 135 because the temperature is still gonna rise up 10 more degrees, and then you'll be perfect. So, super tender. Like I say, Filet Mignon does not have a lot of flavor, but it is tender. That's what it's known for. Tenderness. Whew, I just need a moment to myself. But you can do it too now. So tune in, check in with my channel, Kanin Cuisine, and follow me, subscribe, like me, and don't pay attention to my mouth being full. I'm sorry, it's good, and I just be talking when I be full. You hear me? I love y'all, though. I appreciate y'all following me on YouTube. You hear me?